Hello everyone, welcome to Chandra Edu. Okay, this time I will show you how to do addition in Microsoft Excel and also how to use some formula, some function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, for you that will follow along this tutorial, I have provided the download link in the description below. Okay, let's continue. Here we have data, Chandra Fresh Shop, fruit stock. And here in the first column, there is ID, the ID of the fruit. And then the second column, we have the name of the fruit. And then the third column, we have stock in pound. And here we have a question here, total stock of the fruit. And then the second one, total stock of apple, banana, blueberry, papaya, pears, and pineapple. Okay, here for the total stock of fruit, we can use the addition formula. Here I will show you how to use the formula. First, we have to type equal, and then manually we can add up all of the number. The first one is stock of apple, and then press plus sign, and then you can choose the banana, the stock of banana, and plus sign again to berry, plus sign again cherries, plus sign again grapes, plus sign again kiwi, mango, orange, papaya, pears, pineapple, strawberries, and watermelon. And then just press enter. And here is the total stock of all of the fruit. And then the second method, we can use the sum function. How to use it? Just type equal and then sum, open parenthesis. And here is the argument that we have to enter. Number 1, comma, number 2, and so on. Here, the first number is the apple stock. And then press comma, banana, comma, blueberries, comma, cherries, comma, grapes, comma, kiwi, comma, mangoes, comma, orange, comma, papaya, comma, pears, comma, pineapple, comma, strawberry, and comma, watermelon. And then close parenthesis, press enter. Here the result is the same number, 297. And then the third method, we use some function also, but here we are not entering one by one, but we select all of the range here, and then type equal sum, open parenthesis, we select the range from apple to watermelon here, and then close parenthesis, press enter. The result is the same number, 297. And then if we have a data like this, if we want to get the sum, get the addition of all the number here in the bottom, down the number, we can use a shortcut here. The name is AutoSum. Place the selected cell over here, and then you can go to home tab, home ribbon, in the editing group, choose sum, auto sum here, and then press enter. Okay, the result is 297. Okay, for the next, the total stock of apple, banana, blueberry, papaya, pears, and pineapple. Here we can see apple over here, banana, blueberry, and then if we give the color, and then papaya, pears, and pineapple, papaya, pears, pineapple over here. So if we want to add up all of the number, just press equal, and we can add up them one by one. Apple, plus sign banana, plus sign blueberries, plus sign papaya, and then pears, and then pineapple. Press enter. The result is 97. But we can use sum also, because here the range from C5 through C7, and here from C13 through C15. Okay, here we can type equal sum open parenthesis, and then the first range is from apple through blueberries here, and then followed by comma, and then the second range is from papaya to pineapple, and then close parenthesis, enter. The result is the same number, 97. Okay, that's all about addition formula and sum function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you can do that clearly. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question or any suggestion, just type in comment below. See you in the next video.